Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a chatbot with Agentive, alright? So by the end of the video, you'll be able to make a chatbot in like 5 minutes. As many chatbots as you want. This is really simple, okay? Because this platform was made by one of the forefront creators of the AI automation space. His name's Lee Marley. I have YouTube linked in the description, right? He has tore down the RS entry to create a chatbot, so you can do this whole thing without a line of code, alright? Let's get started by clicking register, right? I'll walk you through step by step from the simplest to the more complex steps at the end, right? So let's go click register, right? And back in my day, this had a waiting list, but now the waiting list is gone. You can literally just make an account and get started, alright? So I'd recommend clicking Google, right? So click Google and choose an account. So let's say I want to make an account with this one, alright? So you're going to click this and then just click continue, okay? Alright, so you should be redirected to a page that looks like this, alright? So let's just click let's start. And here we are. So you want to put your name of your company, or if you don't have a company, just name wherever you want, alright? And then now you want to put your open API key, alright? Let me show you how to get that, okay? Okay, so we are on the open API website, okay? So I want you to go over here to products and then go to API login. Alright, and then just log in. If you don't have a login, make an account, okay? It's simple as that. So I'm going to continue with my Google. Alright, and we're here, and as you guys know, the first time you load in the ChatGPT, you would have clicked on this one to talk to actually use chat. But this time we're going to use the API, right? So go ahead and click on this. And you'll be faced with the API interface, right? So it's actually quite simple, okay? So I want you to go over to dashboard and over here to API keys, alright? So click here. And as you can see, I've got two. I've used it for previous videos. I use chat a lot for my previous videos. So if you don't have one, you want to click create a new secret key, okay? Give it some sort of name. So I'm just using it for Agentive. So Agentive, I already have one for Agentive. So Agentive 2.0. Project, leave it as that. And all permissions, so you can do everything. So anything you want with chat, right? So click create key. And this is your API key, alright? I want you guys to copy this and save this somewhere, okay? And then click done. So before you do anything, go on to usage and go click on increase limit. And then go up here to billing. And then go ahead and add £5, alright? Or $5, alright? And you'll do the click here to add credit balance. Add as much as you want. Add say maybe like £5 or £10, it will last you a long time. But if you're going to actually use this for a website, I want you to put after you click continue, or say recurring payment or not, okay? You're gonna want to click recurring. So what will happen then is that if it goes to 0, it would automatically refill to the amount you set afterwards, okay? You know how cheap this is, alright? So it won't refill, it won't be like every month. You'll probably have to do it every like quarter, alright? Depends on your usage, but it's less than a P for like 1,000 tokens, alright? So it's quite good, okay? So add some money in here so you can actually use the API. And let's go back on Agentive and use our API key, alright? So now we're on Agentive, alright? I want you to put your API key in here. So paste this. You'll say, oh, it will verify it, and yep, it's true, it's real. Click next. You can watch the video or not. You just watching my video will be the same thing, alright? So click next. And then just click OK, okay. So here's the interface, okay? So you can actually track the usage and everything, the costs and every single thing. It's really simple. The guy's done a good job, alright? So we're actually going to go ahead and create our agent, okay? So click here and yeah, give our agent a name. And what shall our agent do? So today we're going to make an example of, let's say we're a dropshipping firm and we have questions about our product, like how long they take, alright? So let's just say you are a dropshipping agent and give information on products. And what else should our dropshipping agent do? And delivery times, alright? Delivery time sounds good. Go ahead and click your API key. So most of you will be fine with 3.5 turbo unless you use the more complicated things, so I'll show you near the end, right? But go ahead and keep on 3.5 turbo and click create agent, alright? So this is not the end all be all, you just use that. So here is the main interface we'll be working with today, okay? So 95% of you will only be using prompt here, alright, and knowledge base, okay? So here on our knowledge base, you kind of want to add all the documents you want your chatbot to refer to, alright? So for me, I've already put here, but I'll show you how to do it, okay? So you want to click upload new document once you're on the knowledge base, alright? So let me just quickly go back, create a knowledge base. I already created one quickly, so click here, give it a name, and you can upload any document, alright? So I'll upload new, right? And then you'll see here that only supports these, alright? These certain documents. And normally if you're a business, you most likely have your like information in some sort of Excel file that will be under .csv, alright? So all you actually need to do is go onto Google and put CSV to like any of these. So I'd recommend PDF, alright? So I'll show you it. Here we are. I put CSV to PDF. Click here, go and search, and then just click. Usually you want to click the second one, but I think the top one's quite good, alright? Now you're here to go and choose files and just convert your knowledge bases, alright? So in my downloads, as you can see, I've done it before. So if you go over, just hover over it, you can see it was originally a Microsoft Excel worksheet, and I just converted it to PDF. I'll show you again quickly. I'll go click on this and just click convert, alright? And then it will just do it quickly. It will just convert it, alright, to a PDF. And then you click download and it will come up in your downloads, right? I'll do it again. Yep, and just appear in your downloads, right? And then all you do is upload a new document, click on this, and just find it again. So I'd click on this and just click on it again, alright? I already done that. So yeah, knowledge base, and you'd likely have a lot of more information. Like if you have a chatbot, you want to have a frequently asked questions like I have, opening hours, all that stuff. So just upload all the documents, and I'll show you how to use it in our chatbot, okay? So we've got that knowledge base, okay? Go back to your agent, okay? And then go on to knowledge base and select it. So I've selected mine, and I'll show you all the files here, okay? All you have to do is prompt your agent how to use knowledge base. So I have one piece of knowledge base. It's really easy. You're a chatbot on job shipping website whose job is to answer frequently asked questions using your knowledge, okay? Say if you had other things, you would say using and then you'd reference the title, right? So job shipping _ FAQs. That's what my one would be if I wanted to talk about it. But now it's the only thing is in there, my FAQ questions. So that'll be it. So ladies and gentlemen, 95% of you are just finished already, okay? But from the knowledge base, and it'll just work, okay? So if I remember, one of the questions on the FAQs was like, how long are deliveries normally, alright? This should be between like 7 to 12 days or something. I don't know what it says on the document. I use chat to generate it for me. I didn't type it. I don't have a living dropshipping business, but yep. How long are delivery days? Something like that. This is like a preview of how your thing would work. We'll make it look nice in a minute. Yep, 7 to 15 days, alright, so perfect. Use your knowledge base just like that, okay? It's literally that simple, okay? So 95% of you are done, and just after I show you the 5% of you that want to take your chatbot to the next level, I'll show you about the tools, right? I'll show you how that works now, but stick around because after this I'll show you how to deploy onto your website. It's really easy, alright? I told you this will take you like 5 minutes, alright, after you sign in, okay? So with tools, you can use third-party things, like you can put Google search in, all of that. So you'd find out all on this website called Relevance, alright? Let me take us there. So we're in Relevance here and just make an account or sign in. I'm here on Relevance now, and you can use any of these, alright? Just find something that you want to add, like anything you want, you can add it. And the thing you'd want to use are any of these, alright? These are tool templates, alright? Most of these make no sense to use that chatbot, but some of them are good. I think there's one for searching the internet and stuff. Hold on. Let me look for Google, alright? Yeah, you can just you can make your chatbot able to Google search. You click this, just fill out all these things as well. You'll have to make an organization to join, but it's no like verification. Just make something up if you don't have one, right? Click continue, and it's cloned it, alright? It's always just you clone the thing. Now we have to find a way to put this onto our chatbot. So we have to do that. Alright, so you found the tool you like and you cloned it, and it should appear somewhere over here, right? You find this place by going to your side menu and clicking tools, alright? And so you're here. Now, the next thing you want to do is click on the top right, custom actions, alright? This will allow us to do the open API schema and connect it to Agentive, alright? Okay, so you found the tool and you've cloned it, alright? So it's easy as this. Go to the top right and click custom actions, okay? So we need to find the open API schema to connect it to Agentive so we can use it, okay? So now I want you to just go all the way down here and choose the tool that you cloned, okay? So I've got a bunch because I've done this before. So just click, I think we did Google search. Click Google search, alright? One tool selected. Scroll down to here. I want you to go here and click custom authentication, okay? And then generate an API key, alright? You want to save this somewhere. I take this. You can copy and paste it somewhere, but I'm saving it. I'm just going to leave it here in the URL. I'll come back to it in a minute. So we've got an authentication token and we've got custom authentication, alright? I want you to scroll down here and generate our open API schema, okay? This is where the magic happens, okay? So that. Now I want you to copy this. And we're actually going to use this straight away. So let's get back into Agentive, back onto our agent and go click on tools. I want you to go ahead and click create a new tool provider, alright? And just copy and paste, put new schema and copy and paste your open API specification, okay? And it's already done it automatically for you, but we're not done yet, okay? Let's go ahead and add authentication API key. And I want you to go back and get our API key, alright? So you copy and paste this here. Okay, so that's your open API key. Now here I want you to, for authentication, I want you to put in custom. I want you to put it in, alright? You want to type in authorization, but just like this, capital A. Authorize. Now this hurts me as an English person. It's Z, alright? Authorization, alright? Yeah, just like this. And then just click update authentication. Okay, and that's it. All set up. But we've got one more piece left to set this up, okay? One more small piece. Click create tool like that, alright? So all created right here. And let's go give it a try, alright? So I said one more thing, and I want you to put this here and just put in like hashtag tools and then describe how you want to use the tool, alright? So you will, inside the tool section is a Google search tool. You will use it to answer any questions not answered by your knowledge base. Okay, let's give it a try. The creator of this is called Liam Otley. Let's say, who is Liam Otley? Alright, let's go see what it says. There we go, alright. The tool has given us this whole thing, okay? So maybe Google Search isn't the best thing for a chatbot, but this is what I'm just showing you how it works, okay? You can tell Google is giving you URLs and stuff, okay? So it's just giving the huge, like, quick rundown of Liam Otley and his YouTube channel and his stuff going on in his company, alright? So it works. That is basic setup, alright? So most of you only prompt and knowledge base, but if you wanna like get a bit complicated, go ahead and go on tools, click on the link to Relevance and see if any of the tools like catch your eye, something you want to add to your like chatbot. But most of the time you just need these two, okay? Just answer questions, okay? So yeah, that's the main brunt of it. Now you want to put this on your website, this is all you need to do, okay? Basically, as I said earlier, it will look like this. Look at the bottom left, it will show up like this on the website. You click on this and you can just like talk to it, okay? So you want to upload this to your website, it's really easy. Click here on publish first. Don't worry, you can like go back. Okay, so publish, you can't edit it right now, but you can always said you can just go back in it. Click on deploy. 3 options to do here. The best way of doing this, if for some reason you want to put a chatbot on these 3, just follow the instructions. It's really easy, okay? If you want to put on a website, you want to skip this custom code, alright, and go ahead to website. Now you want to just go ahead and give it some name, give it some description, change this color, alright? I got an idea, let's make it a little bit darker. You know what, that will do, yeah, whatever. And just let me put an image in, alright, that's an image, and add a styling message. So we're a dropshipping company, what we called? We're called Pinky Winky, innit? Alright, like welcome to Pinky Winky shop or Dinky or something, I don't know. How may we help? How may we help? Alright. And these conversation starters, remember we click down here and how there's like automatic things you can click, like just automatic sentence starters. We can just put those in. So since we had an FAQ section, there's information, some of the most frequently asked questions, like to automatically answer it, like how long do deliveries normally take? Right? Say yeah. Or like what is dropshipping? I mean, they won't know what is dropshipping. To them, dropshipping's a shop, innit? So yeah, just whatever. Just put something the most commonly asked questions, okay? And then don't put all of them. Click this one. Put this. I would recommend I would recommend keeping the watermark on, but you can take off if you want. Nothing wrong, okay? And then that's about it, okay? So put your own logo. You see, bottom left is a book. You want to put your own thing, maybe your company logo or something. Color, and that's all it is. All right. Click create deployment. And here you go, you've got this code. And most of you, I'm guessing most of you have made your website for your company on like a quick start website. You know the ones that you can make the website online. So all you want to do is take this, okay? Take the script, copy it, okay? And then go to wherever you made your website. So I made my website here a long time ago. I think I still have ownership of it, so I can show you it. Alright, there's a bunch of random stuff. I don't know what this stuff is, but here's the actual website. You want to click on edit your website. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really as simple as this. Go and edit your website. Don't worry about it. Look how code is. Anyways, go ahead and go to where you'd put custom code in. So I'm guessing it'll be under integrations for me, and here it is. The code that is given to you after you, like this one here, right? This code, the one you copy paste, okay? You want to put this into the head of your code, okay? And as you can see, this one automatically does it in this website. So go here, take that, okay? Get your own code in, save changes, okay? Update the website. Yep, let's take a look. There we go, look at this, our code here, our classic things, and yeah, everything works out perfectly, okay? And that's how it's gonna look on your website, right? This is really good, really strong, and no more do you have to write code for anything, right? It's just simply as simple as that. There's no more needing to like know how to do Python and all of that. This Lemotly has put down all the barriers to entry, okay? All you do is give a name to a chatbot, give a description on what you want it to do, add a knowledge base, and that's it. If you want to go a bit step further, connect the tool or Google search if you want. You won't need Google search, but yeah, that's it. Literally, chatbot done, okay? Easy as that, right? Always on the screen. Let's say you build your website brick by brick, alright? Done it on VS Code or something. And let's say you probably know how to do this already. You've done all of that already. But say you did a MERN stack, you would go to your home.js file and then you would paste this in. I think I'm not too sure. I'm not too good at MERN stack, but that's it. You get that. So that is it, right? Making a chatbot is literally that easy, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this full guide, and any questions in the description, I will answer them, alright? I will answer them.